let's talk about the reason why the divine masculine pulls back after you have either shared a deeply intimate moment through spoken words or there has been that deep intimacy between you. Why does it happen that they pull back and you will feel it energetically? Well, this is what is called a sacred pause. It's when the integration is starting to happen. Now, we know on this journey that with each coming in, whether it is energetically or in the physical, there is then an energetic upgrade. But this upgrade takes time for integration. And the integration is happening in both bodies. It may look like it's not happening in the divine masculine, but it is taking place. Remember, you're one energetic system, you're one soul. You identify with the mind and ego, believing that you are just the person or that you are just the body, but really who you are in every single lifetime and who you are at soul level is just one energetic system. So you and your divine counterpart are actually integrating that energy and frequency. I also want to really make it very clear here that the words that are spoken between you hold activations and vibrations. They hold cosmic frequency. And so you may go, what? That was really... And if you're truly on a twin flame journey, you will know what I'm talking about. Words that have been spoken that are not what normal couples will say. They are cosmic coding and cosmic frequency. So if you're in that pause at the moment, and let me explain that those sacred pauses will trigger you as a divine feminine, because in the pause, after you've been in a pause a while, you're able to regulate, you're able to integrate the energy and frequency. You come into a very peaceful frequency, but then when they come back in again, it deregulates all your systems, especially the nervous system. And remember, the nervous system are messages. It's a messenger system, really, is the nervous system. And so it's about you learning how to integrate and shift in to that higher sacred frequency. Remember that this journey is an ascension journey. Remember, this is about you coming into inner union. You cannot create outer union without being able to hold that inner union frequency. And when I say hold the frequency, if you are not able to stabilize the energy as the divine masculine is weaving in, when you come into that union frequency, you will not be able to hold it. You will then go into another separation. Twins have to be able to hold that one sacred frequency in order to create that union frequency. If there is any of the lack or the fear, and remember that energetic wall that comes up, and you can't see the wall, but you can feel the wall, you can feel the pullback, that wall that pulls back and that comes up, that invisible wall, is there so you can integrate it. Is there so you both can integrate the energy and frequency. So do not fear the wall. That fear frequency will rise. As it rises, you will need validation. You will feel betrayed. You will feel abandoned. But that's for you now to integrate. Remember, the journey is not happening to you. It is happening for you. And as it happens for you, you ascend into a higher frequency. Remember, this is a deep, deep spiritual journey. It is a journey back to self. The divine feminine holds that sacred frequency, and divine masculine meets you there. And in that energy, you come into that full wholeness and oneness frequency. Remember, you are not two halves though, making one. You are one energetic system, learning how to integrate and balance and bring in that equilibrium energy in the 3D. If you need more help and support on your journey, my website is there. It has everything, whether you are wanting the A to Z of the twin flame journey, where you can, and you get lifetime access to my twin flame journey. So you can go back and watch it as many times as you want as you're moving along the journey. And as divine masculine is starting to come in and you're learning how to balance the frequency, the course is there. Likewise, in those early stages of separation where you feel that endless searching, that pain, that loss, that abandonment, that betrayal, the need for validation, everything on the Twin Flame course is there to support you through each stage of the journey. My website is the 3Ws, catsacredsoul.com. And at the moment, you also get 30-day access into Awakened Consciousness. And both ways you go into the 30 days inner union, where throughout January, I'm supporting you on each day to take those shifts into inner union. Today's also our live call where I am there supporting you for over an hour to help and support you on your journey so you don't feel lost. If you've got questions, you can join us live. If you can't make it live, you can watch it on repeat. You can watch it in the comfort of your own home. It's there to help and support you. I send you so much love from my heart to your heart. Have a beautiful, blessed day.